Hello everyone, Raphael Lewis here on behalf of the National Coalition Party of Canada Political Action Committee. I don't know if you've noticed, if you've seen the most recent report about Canada has agreed to pay a vaccine company, I believe it's Novavax, about approximately $350 million in unused COVID vaccine doses that Canada has agreed to pay. That's part of a long contract to purchase COVID vaccine doses. We all know about the COVID situation. So look, we've agreed to pay about $315 million. And I've looked it up. In the past couple of years, the alarm was sounded. I believe it's the library, one of the U.S. Health Department, they sounded the bell about Canada being wasteful of COVID vaccine doses. And it was about they raised that concern that Canada was wasting about $1 billion in unused COVID vaccine dosage, mismanagement, on you name it. So in order to have an accurate amount of money, how much taxpayers' funds that's being wasted, that has been wasted on COVID vaccine purchases, we would have to have the Auditor General to have a report, an audit on that, on how they manage that. That's how we would get a more accurate amount of taxpayers' fund being wasted on COVID. As you know, this current government, the Liberal government, was trying to vaccinate the world. They purchased a significant amount of dosage, trying to distribute that around the world. Look, we have the World Health Organization. We're a member. We make our contribution. If there's a global health crisis, let the World Health Organization take care of that. And the World Health, if it's a global crisis, other countries, we have other wealthy countries. And that's the role of the World Health Organization. Canadian taxpayers cannot take care of the whole world. Other wealthy nations should make their part. And this current Liberal government attempted to purchase so many dosage that people were saying, hey, why you purchase so many dosage? And we were donating, trying to vaccinate the world. And I believe it's over $1 billion or $2 billion. As I said, we'd have to have the Auditor General to conduct an audit to make sure we have an accurate amount of how much taxpayers' funds was wasted on this pandemic. Look, if I had a cabinet minister, especially at the federal level, and especially at that public health, that important matters of life and death, if that minister didn't do his or her job properly, believe me, that minister would be fired, would be long gone. This level of mismanagement and incompetency is completely and absolutely unacceptable. If I had a federal minister of public health so incompetent, that minister would be fired in no time. Look it up yourself, please. Google the info. You will see those reports. Always appreciate your comments. On behalf of the National Coalition Party of Canada Political Action Committee, Raphael Lewis here. Thank you very much.